Good morning. My name is Alec O'Mara with Unitil, and this is an update on our restoration efforts following a severe thunderstorm that passed through the area last night. At about 6 p.m., we saw a very severe, highly organized line of thunderstorms pass through the area. We saw high gusting winds, and we saw a large number of lightning strikes, an unusual number of lightning strikes with this particular event. At peak, we had about 12,500 customers without power, but as of 6 o'clock this morning, that number is all the way down to about 1,700 customers. We have about 50 crews working system-wide. We're going to be bringing some fresh crews in on the system very shortly, and we'll be continuing to restore power throughout the day today. In the interim, we ask our customers for their patience as we continue to work this particular unusual weather event, and we'll give you more updates as they come. Thanks much for your time.